Alright, here is my 2018 bike check. Pretty similar to the last one, but have changed a couple of parts. I'll go into detail about what I've done. Alright, you can see me, right? Let me do a little check. Alright, whatever. You can see me. So, start out from the front. Got flat iron bars, 8.5 inch rods, and like 28 wide, something. I don't care. I don't cut down my bars anymore. I used to. We got Odyssey Brock Rayford grip on one, the Odyssey Parton, and Fit grip on the other. These bars are really nice. They might be scratched up, but they're not bent like my last couple pairs. But I'd beat the shit out of bars. We got a stem from a rocker, and also a sprocket from a rocker. Those little bikes, but Falcon rocker, you know, those things. We got a kink top cap. We got an Odyssey headset. This thing, it's amazing. I've had it for like a year and jumped into like 10 legs. This headset don't give a fuck. We got an Eastern throttle fork. I haven't bent it, but I have, I don't know if you can see it, but you look at the legs or whatever you call them, that's kind of bent from me using cheap pegs and grinding. We got a Mongoose double-walled front rim sealed hub. Blew out one spoke from trying to hop 360 with really loose front spokes. Then I trued it back up and forgot about that spoke. Got a demolition rig front tire. It's extremely grippy. I love that tire. I'm thinking about getting a welterweight Shadow, like Trey's favorite tire. I like them. I like these a lot because, like, you can ride upstairs with these. They don't give a fuck. It's like a fat tire. You know, all the stickers, I have like 40 horsepower, VTEC, turbo shit, you know. Alright, Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. If you go back to my video that has the most amount of views on my channel, the supposed stolen bike, like, I found a free bike in somebody's backyard. They let me have it. Everybody thinks it's stolen, but, you know, whatever. Technically is. I'm white, but, you know, whatever. Yeah, these are the crank arms off that. I was really stupid when I went up to that guy and asked him, hey, can I take your bike? He could have knocked the fuck out of me for that, but he said yeah. We got a Colt 410 chain. Let's just do a little durability test. Yeah, this thing is solid. It's a nice bike. We've got Blank Generation rear wheel. It's like a set, but I've greased it up. Can't really hear it, but yeah, it's there. We've got Subaru Forester over there staring at me weird and some fucking crackhead. Just because I smoke crack doesn't mean it's bad. Alright. Oh yeah, back tire. Animal GLH. I've had this tire for like a year. I love it. It's kind of worn down, but I'm gonna keep riding that tire forever. The hub, okay, the original driver had 6 balls, but that driver had like some weird warp in it. These hubs are extremely cheap. The whole wheel set, I think, was like $150 for double walled rims and stuff. Sealed hubs. But yeah, it's nice. We've got a united bottom bracket. And yeah, I like that. It creaks sometimes, probably because the lake ate it. But yeah, I'm going off track. When I said the hub had 6 balls, I replaced the original driver with one that I had laying around. This one has 3, so it's not as clicky as it used to be. But still clicks and engages every time. It never slips. I don't know why. But we got butt. Why do I keep putting butt in front of shit? Butt suck my nut. Alright. We got the Audi valve stem covers, probably like the most expensive part in this whole bike. Take a look at that. Nom. Alright, this seat came off the fucking rocker. And yeah. Overall, it's a pretty dialed bike. Oh yeah, the frame. Fucking retarded. Hoffman Condor frame. I cracked it, I had it rewelded. I cracked it again, had it rewelded. It didn't crack in the same spot. The welds aren't that good. But it's full chromoly. And I've raged and through this bike and stuff when I was trying to 3 off the 3-steer. And yeah. Let's see if you can see that. Those 2 dents. And like the 7 more that are over here, you can't really see those. Covered those up with a sticker. But yeah, she's dialed. Get a clip for y'all. Oh yeah, I forgot. Her name is Bertha the Benevolent Bastard. So yeah. Never forget that. The kink top cap. I don't know if I said that. Probably did. So yeah. That's my, what I call a bike. I don't know what y'all guys will call it. You can call it a kangaroo sex for the toaster that had a midget. I don't really care. So yeah. Oh yeah, another thing. Don't get these shoes. Whatever you do. Like, I wouldn't recommend riding Nike. Just buy Vans or buy DC. Or don't buy Lisp. Those are pretty annoying. Yeah. This is it. That's that. And this is my penis. Right. Peace out, and I don't really give a fuck or whatever.